So I'm going to show you a neat little trick here that you can use to restart your VPS every day. Why would you want to do that? Well, it's just a bit of housekeeping, really. Like any computer, if you leave it on forever and you start up multiple programs, you may find it just gets a bit cluttered. So restarting it every now and again is a good idea. So let me show you how you can do that on a VPS. First thing you need to do is to locate the task scheduler. So if we go down here and to the administrative tools, we can look down this list, and what you're looking for is the task scheduler. So you can see that here. Because you may use this more than once, what I recommend is if you right click and then send this to the desktop, the icon will appear on the left hand side over here. So we will close down this area, and if we double click on task scheduler, that will bring up the task scheduler. I'm just going to resize this so that it is a bit easier for you to read. There we go. So the first thing we're going to do is to create a basic task. And when you create a basic task, we have to name it. So we're going to call this one Reboot My Server Each Day. And we click on Next. We're going to do this daily. And we're going to do this at 6 o'clock in the morning to recur every day, basically. And what we want to do is to start a program. So if we click on Next here, we have to enter in the script that we're going to do. So there's no need to understand the detail behind this. I'm just going to give you the script that is required. And you basically have to type in C:\Windows system32 /shutdown.exe, and then we're going to put in a couple of arguments here. So we're going to put in -r, -f, and this basically will force a shutdown and reset the machine. So basically it just forces a reboot at 6 o'clock every morning. So if we go into Next here, you can see that's what it's called. It's going to happen at this time. And what I'm going to do here is I'm also going to say open the properties dialog when I click finish. So if I click finish here, this will basically bring up this properties. So this is the rule in place here. And I'm going to change this so it says run whether the user is logged on or not. And if I click on OK there, it will ask me to reconfirm the password, which I'm going to do. And that rule is there and ready. You can see a list of scheduled tasks down here. But basically, we now have a scheduled task to reboot the server every day at 6 AM. And you can confirm that by clicking on the library, looking up here, and you can actually change any element of that if you want to change the time or whatever. You can go through here and modify each of those settings. But that's how to reboot the server automatically every day.